In today's video, we will go over why epoxy flooring is perfect for cleanrooms. Cleanrooms are highly controlled environments that are devoid of dust, airborne particles, aerosol, and much more. Cleanliness is the top priority. Epoxy floors can enhance the effectiveness of cleanrooms. The non-porous surface minimizes the buildup of dust, microbes, and molds, while also making cleaning much easier. Its chemical resistance and enhanced durability increases the floor's lifespan. Epoxy floors are a reliable solution for maintaining cleanliness, hygiene, and safety standards. Let HPS help you choose your next floor. For more information, contact us at hpsfloors.com or call us at 732 384 5577 for your free consultation.